We're going to explain how to troubleshoot the javax.persistence cannot be resolved error in Java applications. This error typically pops up when your Java project is trying to use Java Persistence API, JPA, a crucial component for interacting with databases, but the compiler can't find the necessary libraries. Let's break down the common causes and solutions. 1. Missing JPA dependency. The most frequent cause is the absence of the JPA library in your project's dependencies. JPA itself isn't a standalone library. It's a specification, and you need an implementation like Hibernate, Eclipse Link, or OpenJPA. To fix this, you must add the correct dependency to your project's build configuration file, like write single quote pom.xml write single quote for Maven, or write single quote build.gradle write single quote for Gradle. For example, a Maven project would need a dependency like write single quote dependency groupadorg.hibernate.javax.persistence / group artifacted hibernate -jpa -2.1 API / artifacted version 1 0 2.final / version / dependency. The specific grouped, artifacted, and version will vary based on your chosen JPA provider and its version. Ensure you're using the correct version compatible with your project's other libraries and Java version. 2. Incorrect dependency version. Even if you have a JPA dependency, an incorrect version can create conflicts. If you're using a dependency management system like Maven or Gradle, review your dependency tree to identify potential version clashes and update the libraries accordingly. Sometimes you might have multiple versions of JPA or conflicting dependencies that are pulling in different versions, creating a class path conflict. Use a tool provided by your build system to visualize and resolve these conflicts. 3. Build system configuration issues. Your project's build system, Maven, Gradle, Ant, etc., might be misconfigured, preventing it from correctly downloading or including the JPA libraries. Double-check your build configuration files for any typos or incorrect settings. Ensure that the repositories are correctly specified and the dependency declaration is valid and accurate. 4. IDE-specific problems. Your integrated development environment, IDE, like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans, could have indexing or caching issues. Try these steps. Clean and rebuild your project, invalidate caches and restart the IDE, and check that your IDE's project settings correctly point to the libraries. 5. Java version compatibility. Ensure that the JPA implementation you're using is compatible with your Java version. Older JPA implementations might not work with newer Java versions, and vice versa. Consult the JPA provider's documentation for compatibility information. 6. Wrong import statement. While less common, double-check that you've used the correct import statement. It should be write single quote javax.persistence for importing all classes within that package. A simple typo can lead to this error. Ensure that the import is at the top of your Java file, before your class definition. After implementing these solutions, clean and rebuild your project to resolve the issue and confirm the javax.persistence cannot be resolved error has been successfully fixed.